1, 2, 3.
All right. Cleaning the drain. First, take this little thingy out. Oh gosh, okay. I don't even know if that thing's gonna work. Wear gloves always. There we go. If you wonder why your drain doesn't work, here you go. Let's see if I can get some more. There's more in there. Mm-hmm. There's more. There's more in there. There. This drain is going to work very nicely now for this. Just a little bit more. We can get these things where? Dollar General?
Dollar General and Big Lots. They're bottle cleaners, but they serve for
Baby
multi-purpose.
bottle cleaners?
Yep. I think they're Mr. Clean brand. They come in a 4-pack.
A little bit more. I think that's it. No, it's a little bit more.
Hashtag not just a cleaning lady.
Hashtag wear gloves.
Yeah.
All right, I think this thing is ready to
See
go
what
now.
happens. Now we can actually do our job.
Now I can actually clean the sink.
Beautiful. Look at that. Good job, Melissa.